Hey, welcome back to Exercise with Atlas. Today we'll be demonstrating foam rolling of the whole lower body. Begin by setting the foam roller down, and we're going to be starting out with foam rolling your hip muscles. The purpose of foam rolling is primarily to increase blood flow to the soft tissue, as well as decrease the neurological sensitivity of that soft tissue. Notice Justin started by working on his glutes, rolling over to the side and working on his TFL, as well as targeting his hip flexors. Next, moving down the leg, working on the posterior thigh muscles or hamstrings. This can sometimes be challenging for the upper body, so alterations you can make is set your hips down and put one foot flat on the ground, and you can just go through part of the motion. Next up, rolling over, we're going to target the side of the leg or the IT band. Again, very challenging sometimes for the upper body, so you can slide the elbows down to the ground and use that opposite leg to help support you. Rolling onto the stomach, you can put more pressure through that quad muscle group by putting all the focus on the foam roll, or if this is challenging for your upper body and leg, you can set one leg off to the side of the foam roll and come down to the elbows and still target that quad muscle, as seen the left leg of this video. And lastly, moving down the leg towards the calf musculature. Again, really putting a lot of pressure through that calf. You can decrease that by setting your hips down and slowly rolling back and forth to tolerance. Hopefully you found this educational video helpful. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.